Hey guys, on this video I will show you how you can buy the dropshipping coin on Trust Wallet. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So first, what you need to do here, you need to have a Binance coin on Trust Wallet. So there's two ways you can buy on Trust Wallet itself, by pressing buy and BNB, and also you can buy on other exchanges. So buy on other exchanges, then press on receive, select BNB, copy this wallet address to exchange that you have a Binance coin, and paste it to basically there, put the amount and transfer Binance coin to a Trust Wallet. And once you have a Binance coin on Trust Wallet, then you need to press on BNB, select more, swap to Smart Chain, and basically swap your Binance coin to Binance Smart Chain, right? And after that, on the bottom you should see browser option with 4 little squares, or the apps. And if you are on Trust Wallet for the first time, probably you will not see this option. So what you need to do here, you need to go on Safari, enter this code, trust, browser enable, press go, and the browser option will appear. And then you need to go to the dropshippingnetwork.com, as you can see here, the official DSN token launch. And then you need to press buy on Pancake, correct? And as you can see here, press I understand, make sure to connect here to Trust Wallet. As you can see here, I am not connected. So as you can see here, this is the DNS token, and what you need to do here is now swap it your Binance coin to a DNS token, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.